Let's crack open the Marshall Brown Vault.
Welcome to part 4 of the big rocket launch.
Marshall, come on!
It's time for my rocket. Let's put her on. Now,
Go over there.
we're gonna put this right here. Like, I gotta put this down here. Thanks for recording this for me.
His favorite teacher's filming this right now, by the way. Hey, come on.
All right, let's put it on.
Oh, who gets? That's not okay.
God, I don't want to play favorites because people can get left out. Okay,
Put that in the hole
right here.
and then put the pink thing on.
So I'm just gonna take this out.
Now flip it over.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put the clamps right here. 1, 2. Let me make sure they're kind of.
This is really light.
Only grasp it in the hand.
Yeah.
There. Looking good?
Here, you want to film him?
Sure. Now, Mr. Hughes.
Wait, honey.
Ooh, this is pretty fancy. All right.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Oh my God! I just! Oh my God! It worked! Kill me!
That was pretty good, actually.
Well, the parachute didn't open. I mean, it came out, but it didn't
Right,
open.
didn't open, yeah. Well done.
Like, did you see what happened, Mr. Hughes?
I did.
What happened was the rocket got the highest at height, but then the parachute
Didn't quite come out.
Well, it did, but it came all the way out, you know. And
Oh.
Your parachute came out, but it didn't do it. It was supposed to, so that's a 5.
so, yeah, we didn't get as much points as we hoped for, but God, that was awesome!
This came off. That came out.
I sure hope you saw as much as you wanted to see. Here comes the next part, part 5. Stay tuned.
Actually, it's a 9 if that came out.
One of you needs to go. Whoever's the launcher, not go.
Okay, this is part 5.
All right. Ready?
You excited?
5.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
Hold both at the camera.
Hold both. Okay, can we blast off now? Blast off?
Go back and check your stuff.
Oh no. It did it exactly like, I'm like the Chrono King, because I get everything on time, but no one else did. And if you saw in the last part, my rocket launched the highest. And so that was pretty cool. And, oh, what is this? Oh, would you look at that? Now that's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I like the way you smile. It's so white and shiny. Kind of like... Whoa! I missed it! Oh, God, you distracted me! Did you see that? She distracted me! I missed the launch! That's okay. I mean, your distractiveness is actually a good thing. Because she's kind of pretty, and she needs that kind of distractiveness for such attractiveness. And... well, it's too bad I missed out of the launch. I'm so sorry, guys. Just stay tuned for part 6.